Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change your password on the SHEIN application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should click on the last icon down below, which is the Me icon. After that, tap on the Settings icon that you can find at the top of the screen. That's the third option. Now click on Account Security and tap on Change Password. Now you need to type in your old password, which is your current one. After typing in your old password, type in your current password and then confirm it by typing in the same one. After that, tap on the button Submit down below, thereby updating your password, and you will be able to use your new one instead of the old one. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.